Okay, so I just read about this tool called safe-npm that addresses security risks in NPM packages. It's kind of a game changer.
Wait, seriously. What makes it so special? I mean, NPM packages are notoriously vulnerable.
Exactly, safe-npm essentially only installs package versions that have been around for at least 90 days. It's like a safety filter.
That's interesting. So it gives the security community time to spot any malicious updates before they're used.
Right? Think of it as a waiting period. If a package gets compromised today, users won't be able to download it immediately.
But doesn't that assume all older versions are safe? What if a package was malicious from the start?
Good point, it definitely has limitations. It won't protect you from packages that were bad right from their release.
So what's the trade-off then? Are users sacrificing new features for security?
Exactly, you might miss out on the latest features or bug fixes while waiting for the community to vet new updates.
That's a tough balance. I guess it's all about deciding how much risk you want to take with your projects.
Right, safe NPM is part of a larger strategy. It's not the only layer of defense you should have.
What other measures are recommended alongside this tool?
They suggest regular audits with NPM audit, monitoring for advisories, and using lock files for reproducibility.
That sounds comprehensive, but is it easy to implement in an existing project?
Totally, you can simply run safe npm install and it'll take care of filtering the package versions.
Do you have to specify the minimum age every time?
Nope, it defaults to 90 days, but you can change it if you want. You could even set it to 180 for critical systems.
I like that flexibility, but how do you handle emergencies, like needing to install a critical package?
You can use an ignore list. It lets you bypass the age requirement for specific packages.
That makes sense, but then doesn't that open up potential vulnerabilities?
For sure, it's a trade-off again. You need to trust those fast-moving packages you're ignoring.
So it requires a lot of judgment on the user's part. I wonder how many people will find that tricky.
Yeah, and the evidence shows that many developers might not audit their dependencies regularly.
That's concerning. How many developers actually know about this tool?
It's still gaining traction. Many are focused on just getting things to work and might overlook security.
Wow, it really highlights a bigger issue in software development regarding security awareness.
Exactly, it's a cultural shift that's needed more than just tools.
I wonder how effective safe-npm has been in real-world scenarios.
Well, the creators shared a real-world example of a package getting compromised, and safe npm would have protected users.
That's powerful, but how can users be sure they're getting the right versions?
Every time you run it, it checks the npm registry for version history, so it's always up to date.
That's reassuring. But what if there's a discrepancy in the version due to different registries?
Great question. You can specify a custom registry if needed, which increases reliability.
Nice, that adds another layer of control. But are there any drawbacks to this method?
Yes, the age-based filtering is still a heuristic. It's not foolproof.
So there's still a chance of missing out on some hidden vulnerabilities. That's a bit unnerving.
Definitely, it goes back to trusting older versions, which could have undiscovered issues.
I see where you're coming from. So, implementing safe NPM requires careful thought.
Absolutely, it's about weighing security against the need for the latest features.
In the end, I guess every developer needs to find their own balance.
Exactly, and safe npm is a tool that can help with that, but it's not the only solution.
This makes me curious about how many other tools are out there that tackle similar issues.
There are quite a few, but the best ones usually combine security with usability.
That's key. If it's too complex, developers might avoid using it entirely.
Well, it's all about making security a part of the development culture, not just an afterthought.
Right? And I think we're slowly but surely getting there, even if it's a challenge.
Exactly, and tools like safe npm are steps in the right direction.
I wonder what the future holds for security in software development.
It'll be interesting to see how tools evolve to adapt to new threats.
And hopefully, more developers will take security seriously as part of their workflow.